Minister Muveani wose seiwandhini Kipchumba Murkomen no alesya mwekio wake na utongoi wa President William Ruto yulwa kuyanesya mawali okumakia utongoi alama na akwati yaniite na Raila Odinga hainene kanisani umweku ya Kisumu wa Murkomen ni wasika na Ruto unonatwa iite unenanya na Odinga wa undu Kenya itonya kwithi wa First World Nation ndoto ila ikuyanea ungu wa serikali ya Kenya. Kwanza Joseph Kitheka na Mauvo
Ainena kavindani kale vikito thaithini kanisani umwe kwa kaundini ya Kisumu minister wose seiwandhini Kipchumba Murkomen ni wende yukathia muno ngwatanio na atu avo ya President Ruto na muruti ya Raila Odinga aiwetera mananena nti muno undu Kenya itonya kuende ya ikaviki ya nthi ila siumilile kimaendeyo vala wathana kana Ruto no kuende ya mivango isu manena yo mpaka muthia.
Mimi sina tashwishi kwamba where the former prime minister left us with the president in broad-based government and the broad thinking and the forward thinking and the first world thinking that they left, the former prime minister left with us when he discussed with the president is going to be delivered by a united leadership in the country and a united ODM and UDA and other parties including Kenya Kwanza that will bring our country together. Mimi sina tashwishi kabisa kwamba tutafanya kazi pamoja.
Murkomen ingine waweta kana ungwa ngwatanio ya broad based Ruto ni wathanite kana na mbango munene wa kuikithia rithika mwakani wa 2055 Kenya ni yetha ye ya kilasi kingi vala wathanite kuvindu thyu wa malelu na iwanza siandike aiweta kana Kenya sende ya kwitha na malelu manini vamwe na iwanza siandike itena mwanya munene kethani kwenda kukile kiwango cha utandithia tanthi ila siendesie.
Just the unity of purpose of peace, gender, peace and development, and no tribalism.
As a nation, as we go to a political period, ninawaomba sana kwamba tushikane pamoja. I want to request that the politics of hatred, the politics of tribalism, the politics of, fighting each other, I want to request leaders that let us pull together. Let's work as a team. Let us compete when it comes to ideas. If you have a better idea, then the good idea will give way to your better idea. Let us compete not using propaganda and hatred and tribalism. Let us talk about my policy as against your policy proposal and see how we can bring Kenya together.
Uneni wa Murkomen woga vindani kala President Ruto ometoki unanene tengewa otai aiweta kana wendi wake munene kuona Kenya rivika mwakani wa 2055 ni yetha ya kiwango cha nthi ila siye uluvyo kimaendeyo na kuiungamia sio mbene.
Nimeongea na wabunge almost 80% of parliament one on one to explain to them how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have had a conversation with our former Prime Minister Raila Odinga on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have engaged my brother, former President Uhuru Kenyatta, on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. I have engaged many, including Gideon Moi recently, on how we are going to move this country from a third world country to a first world country. And I will continue to engage all the leaders until we come together so that we can take this country to be a first world country in our lifetime.
Joseph Githangili vote vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.